Welcome fellow traders. Today I am sharing my experience of Blazers G.O.A.T AI Expert Advisor. According to the developer, Blazers G.O.A.T AI, the ultimate game changer expert advisor is in the world of forex trading. With its supply demand strategy at the core, this EA ensures consistent profits week after week, boasting an impressive 320% weekly return rate. Now I am sharing my experience of using this expert advisor. This is my virtual private server. I am using Windows 7, and here I am using Tickmill demo account. Spread is 2.023 pips. Here you can see that I am using currency pair GBP USD, and this expert advisor works on gold as well as all currency pairs. Time frame is M5 or H1. This expert advisor open trades with single stop loss target and trailing stop loss. Now open the terminal. Here 5 trades are open by this expert advisor. Now open the account history. I have started demo testing of this expert advisor from 15th Feb 2024, and here you can see that most of the trades executed by this expert advisor are closed in loss. Now analyze these trades. Right click on the terminal and save as detailed report. Save the report. Now from keyboard press Ctrl A key and then copy all trades. Press Ctrl plus C. Now open Microsoft Excel and paste all the data that I have copied from the browser. Right click on the browser and click copy. Now open Excel and paste here by pressing Ctrl plus V key. Now create two columns. First magic number. Press enter and name this column as magic number, and this one is comments. These are comments or expert advisor name, and use this formula equal sign and click on the cell where you are seeing the name of the expert advisor. Now select these rows, these cells, and double click to paste this formula in the below lines. Now go to the end of these lines and delete the open trades rows. Now apply filter from data tab. Click the filter. I am using different expert advisors. Now in the comment column, unselect all values and select only this magic number or argument. Now click OK. Now here is a list of trades that are executed by this Blazzer G.O.A.T AI Expert Advisor. Now select these columns: commission, taxes, swap and profit. Now select all these values, and here you can see that there is loss of $42.32. I am using this expert advisor since 15 Feb 2024, and for the last uh, few days this expert advisor has a loss of $42.32. It means that this EA is not suitable for trading, and it is wrong that this EA is generating 320% weekly. Therefore, do not use this EA in your live trading. Another important point is that this expert advisor require DLL. This expert advisor require allow DLL import, and according as per my experience that I have observed with different expert advisors, all those EA that read DLL files are based on history data. It means they are good in backtesting and they are bullshit in live trading. However, I am continuing trading and testing this expert advisor for the next 1 month, and I will share with you my experience. If you have any question or query, please come in to the comment section of this video, and I will always try to respond all comments. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Happy trading.